How you doing, guys? Back again. This time we have a repair video for you. This is a 2001 Chevy Silverado. Pretty much the customer said that his AC wasn't working. It has not been working since he bought the truck. So I came to take a look at it. Turns out he's got a bad compressor. The clutch does not turn on at all. Very old. I mean, clutch actually is frozen, and once the AC turns on, it wants to spin, but it starts making a very loud noise. The bearings inside of the clutches are shot. So we went ahead and just got a new compressor, new dryer, new oil. We're gonna flush the system and put everything on, put it on the vacuum pump for about 45 minutes to an hour, clear all that moisture out of the AC lines, and recharge it and see what happens. So yeah, let's get it. Oh, nasty gaskets. Replace these with the new ones. Okay, so we have the compressor installed already. We are moving on now to the dryer. There's the dryer. We have our new dryer here. Just gonna go ahead and remove this one, install the new one, then move on to the orifice tube. Alright guys, so we have the new compressor installed with new O-rings, new pressure switch in the back. Come on over here. We also have a new dryer as well as a new orifice tube installed as well. Now we currently have it on the vacuum pump. We're going to leave it on about 45 minutes or so. And as of right now, the vacuum is doing well. We'll check on it in about another 15-20 minutes. That's what you want to see right there, guys. In the negatives. Once the vacuum pump gets turned off, you want to make sure that it still stays negative and does not go above zero. If it does, then that means you still have a leak somewhere. Some air is still getting into the system somehow, some way. So we'll leave that there, and then once we get done, we'll start the recharge. Let this thing get cold.